So, whereas reports from law enforcement agencies reveal that certain substances which are openly sold to the public are being availed of by drug dependents as substitute for dangerous drugs. So, whereas medical research and studies show that the use of such substitutes could cause death, psychological damage to the liver, kidneys, heart, blood, and nervous system, induce dependency, self-destructive, and antisocial acts while under the influence thereof, and lead to the use of other drugs. So, Section 1. Volatile substances as used in this decree shall mean and include any liquid, solid, or mixed substance having the property of releasing toxic vapors of fumes containing one or more of the following chemical compounds: methanol, ethanol, isopropanol, ethyl acetate, and propyl acetate, in butyl acetate, acetone, ethyl ketone, methyl butyl ketone. So, it is a substance which, when sniffed, smelled, inhaled, or introduced into the physiological system of the body, produces or induces a condition of intoxication, inebriation, excitement, stupefaction, dulling of the brain or nervous system. So, in the section 2, the use or possession of volatile substances for the purpose of inhalation to induce or produce intoxication or any of the conditions described in the preceding section shall be punishable by imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 4 years, and a fine ranging from 600 to 4,000 pesos provided. However, the provisions of Article 6 entitled Rehabilitative Confinement and Suspension of Sentence of Republic Act No. 64/25, as amended, otherwise known as the Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972, shall, whenever appropriate, apply to the cases arising hereunder. In the Section 3, the penalty of imprisonment ranging from 4 years and 1 day to 8 years, and a fine ranging from 4,000 to 8,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person who sells, administers, delivers, or gives away to another on any terms whatsoever, or distributes, dispatches in transit or transports, or who act as a broker in any of such transactions, any substance or mixtures of substances containing one or more of the chemical compounds mentioned in section 1 for the purpose of inhalation to induce or produce intoxication or any of the conditions described therein. So in the section 4, the penalty of imprisonment ranging from 4 years and 1 month to 8 years, and a fine ranging from 4,000 to 8,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person or group of persons who shall maintain a den, dive, or resort where any substance of mixtures of substances containing one or more of the chemical compounds mentioned in section 1 of is used for the purpose of inhalations to induce or produce intoxication or any of the conditions described therein. So in the section 5, the sale of and offer to sell volatile substances to minors without requiring the written consent of their parents or guardians as a condition of such sale or offer to sell shall be punishable by imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 4 years, and a fine ranging from 600 to 4,000 pesos, provided that when the minor is 18 years of over and is duly licensed to drive a motor vehicle, such written consent shall not be necessary when the volatile substances sold or offered for sale is gasoline or any other motive fuel for motor vehicles. Section 6. The sale of and offer to sell to minors of liquors or beverages containing an alcoholic content or 30% or above 60 proof or above is hereby prohibited and shall be punishable by imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 4 years and a fine ranging from 600 to 4,000 pesos.